Cataracts are the natural lenses that we all have that become cloudy because of aging. Approximately 4 million Americans undergo cataract surgery each year to restore their vision. Once we remove the cataract, we have to replace that clouded lens with an artificial lens implant. There is a variety of lenses to choose from. The most common one is called a monofocal lens. Now we do have these premium lens implants. These premium lens implants, in general, we have what we call multifocal lens implants. These multifocal lens implants, they have different corrective zones built into these lenses. They usually correct people's vision at distance, intermediate vision, and some also near vision.